Fix iPhone date and time. If you're experiencing issues with the date and time on your iPhone, here are steps to fix it. 1. Automatic date and time setting. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Tap on Date and Time. Enable Set automatically if it's not already enabled. This allows your iPhone to automatically set the date and time based on your current location and the network time provided by your carrier. 2. Manually set date and time. If the automatic setting isn't working, or if you prefer to set the date and time manually, you can do so from the same date and time settings. Disable Set automatically. Set the date and time manually by tapping on the fields and adjusting them accordingly. 3. Check time zone. Ensure that the correct time zone is selected on your iPhone. This setting is also found in the date and time settings. If you're in a different time zone, select the correct one to ensure your device displays the accurate time. 4. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes, simply restarting your iPhone can resolve date and time issues. Press and hold the power button or the side button until you see the slide to power off slider. Slide it to power off your device, then turn it back on after a few seconds. 5. Update iOS. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can address date and time issues. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update to check for and install any available updates. 6. Reset network settings. If the issue persists, you can try resetting network settings. This will reset Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular settings, and VPN settings, which may help resolve connectivity-related issues that could affect date and time. Go to Settings, then General, then Reset Network Settings. 7. Contact Glasgow Repair Centre. If none of the above steps work, or if you suspect there may be a hardware issue causing the problem, it's best to contact Glasgow Repair Centre for further assistance. Thank you for watching.